So one of the things that's important with this is obviously always keeping the orientation. So I'm cutting this way. This is the top. The top is the base. It's the backwards, but you just flip it upside down, and there's a reason for that. It's how it works. Make sure this edge is flat here, and you cut your 45. Figure out where exactly I want to put this. And then could trim this. I think I don't work on high rises. Yep. You can't see it at all. Perfect. Now I have to cut this the right length because I still cut some, it's still too short. Alright, I added a light, one of these, from Harbor Freight to the saw because I couldn't see the line well enough.
Take that out because it is solid. And then 1/4 inch.
So there's what I did today. Cut another piece to fit in here towards this end. This is a little nerve-wracking because I literally have no extra material to work with. They gave me 3 pieces and they didn't really think about it that I needed an 80-inch run for this back piece. So that took up almost a full 10-foot piece, which left that I used to piece out other things, but with what's remaining. But then I had a 60 and a 54. So I had one piece left to make a 60 and a 54, and you have the waist coming off of it in order to make the wings. It was very close. I haven't made the last piece yet, so I don't even know for sure if it's going to work. I think it's just touching up the edge so the little bit of white you see of the wood you won't see. What's funny is I use a Sharpie because the brown Sharpie actually matches better and is easier to use than the stain touch-up stuff that they got from the company that made the cabinets. A Sharpie. Alright, so this piece is my last piece. There. What the heck? That wasn't good. Oh, I got it jammed. The jam is cleared. There you go. Oh, seriously. Oh, I see a bigger problem here. I'm amazed that one even went in. I got a problem with my gun. As you can see, this is not good. I have to go take it apart and see if what's going on. Oh, because of one. Just to get one pin in. I just need to put one more in. Although I do have a few to put in around, so. Alright, I gotta fix my gun. This is the final crown molding trim installed. So it's definitely finishes, completes the look of the cabinets. Thanks. Bye-bye.